Wait, stop scrolling right now. Before I say anything else, you absolutely need to watch this.
Princess Mirab of the Sunspire Kingdom was known for two things: her fiercely brave heart and her absolute inability to walk across a room without knocking something over. Usually clad in her favorite bright yellow dress and a protective white smock for her daily tinkering, she was a whirlwind of good intentions and collateral damage. Her constant companion was Pip, a Griffin-Pug hybrid, a Pruffin. Pip had the majestic wings of an eagle, the squished face of a pug, and the anxiety levels of a tiny dog caught in a thunderstorm. One rainy afternoon, while chasing Pip through the grand hall to retrieve a stolen slipper.
Pretty insane, right? That looked like a real movie. And guess what? You can create something exactly like that tonight for free, even if you have absolutely zero experience. You just have to watch this video till the very end because I'm going to break down this entire process into a super simple step-by-step formula. To create professional 3D animation like that, you only need to master 5 essential pillars, and we are going to cover every single one of them today. Step 1, the script. Step 2, professional voiceover. Step 3, generating images. Step 4, the magic of converting images to video. And finally, step 5, editing and music to bring it all to life. This is a complete A to Z masterclass. By the end of this 15 minutes, you won't just be watching, you'll be creating. So smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on future tutorials. All right, enough talking, let's jump straight into it. All right, the very first and most crucial step of this entire process is the script. Trust me, if you can generate a professional, engaging script, literally 40% of your work is already done. So let's jump into Gemini. I'm going to paste a specific prompt here, and let me break down exactly why this prompt is so powerful. First, we give the AI an identity. I started with act as a creative storyteller. Now, why is this step so important? Because you have to give the AI a role before it starts writing. This instantly primes the system and gets its brain 100% ready for the exact type of creative work we are about to do. Next, we tell it exactly what flavor we want. I asked for a short, engaging Pixar-style fairy tale about a clumsy but brave princess, but you can change this to a superhero story, sci-fi adventure, whatever you want. I also demanded a heartwarming plot twist at the end. But here is the secret sauce. Pay close attention to this. Whenever you want to pull the absolute best work out of an AI, use trigger phrases like use your own creativity and surprise me. This forces the AI to stop being a boring robot and actually think outside the box. By the way, I've left this exact master prompt in the description below so you can copy and use it for your own videos. Okay, let's hit enter. Now, because we've given the AI a pretty complex and highly creative task, it's going to take just a few seconds to process. And boom, look at this masterpiece. In just seconds, the AI generated a beautiful, heartwarming Pixar-style story about a clumsy princess and her cute little pet. It even gave us an emotional message at the end. This is Hollywood-level storytelling done in 10 seconds. And just like that, we have our complete blueprint. We know exactly what our scenes look like, and our first major milestone, that 40% of the workload, is officially complete. Now that our story is locked and ready, we need to bring it to life. Now that our script is locked, let's move on to step number 2, the voiceover. For this, we are heading straight over to 11 Labs. Now, I went ahead and selected the voice named Arabella because it fits that magical fairy tale vibe perfectly. But you have thousands of options here, so feel free to pick whichever voice fits your story best. I've already tweaked the voice settings to my liking, but again, you can play around and adjust these however you want. Next, all we have to do is take that entire master script we just generated, paste it right here into the text box, and hit Generate Speech. In just a matter of seconds, 11 Labs is going to process this and give us an incredibly realistic studio quality voiceover. All right, it's done. Let's go ahead and download the audio file. And just like that, step 2 is officially complete. All right, let's move on to our next step, and I need you to pay very close attention to this one. First, take the entire master script we just finished, copy it, open up a blank notepad, and paste it right there so it is safely saved. Now copy just one small paragraph from that script and head right back over to Gemini, the exact same chat where we generated the story. We are going to paste that short paragraph here along with my ultimate master prompt. Now, I'm not going to read this whole prompt out loud, but let's quickly break down why it works like absolute magic. Right at the start, we say, act as an expert AI video production assistant. This instantly tells the AI, hey, the scripting phase is over, you are now my video producer. Next, we tell it to read the paragraph and break it down strictly line by line. This ensures the AI doesn't just give us one messy prompt for the whole story, but actually breaks it into perfect bite-sized shots. Then, we ask it to generate exactly two things for every single scene: an image prompt, and directly below it, a video prompt. Having these paired up is going to make our workflow insanely fast. And finally, we hit it with a strict command, the critical consistency rule. This forces the AI to keep our character looking exactly the same in every single shot. By the way, I've dropped this exact master prompt in the description below and in our WhatsApp group, so you can grab it and use it for literally any video style. Okay, let's submit this to Gemini, give it a few seconds to load, and boom. Look at this incredible workflow. We now have perfectly paired image and video prompts for every single scene in that paragraph. Now, it is time to bring these to life. For this, we are going to use just one powerful tool to create our entire video, and that tool is Grok. Go ahead and open up Grok. On the side menu, you'll see an option called Imagine. Click on that, and it will open up our creation interface. Take your very first image prompt from Gemini, paste it right here, and hit Generate. Let it load for just a second. And boom! Look at that. It gives us stunning, highly detailed images from multiple angles. Just pick the image you like the best and click on it. The interface will switch up. Now grab your video prompt from Gemini, paste it into this new box, and hit Generate again. Wait for the loading magic. And wow, just look at that incredible result. Go ahead and download this video clip to your computer. Now you just repeat this exact same process, generate the image, then animate the video for every single scene in your notepad. And if you look closely, our character stays 100% consistent throughout the entire thing, all thanks to that one master prompt. At this point, we have our professional voiceover and we have our stunning, consistent 3D video clips. Literally 85% of the hard work is completely done. Now let's jump into our final step. Editing. All right, we are in the home stretch. We have our voice, we have our visuals, and now it is time to put the puzzle together. Welcome to our final major step, editing. For this, we are going straight into CapCut because it is incredibly powerful and super easy to use. First, go ahead and click on New Project, and it will open up a blank workspace that looks exactly like this. Head over to the Import button at the top. The very first thing we want to bring in is that professional voiceover we downloaded earlier. Just import it and drag it straight down onto your audio timeline. Next, we are going to import all of those stunning 3D video scenes we just generated in Grok. Go ahead and drop them onto your video timeline right above the audio, making sure they are in the correct story order. Now, here is where the magic really comes together. All you have to do is listen to the voiceover and adjust the length of each video clip so it perfectly matches what is being said. If a video clip is a little too long, simply use the split tool, cut off the extra part, and delete it. It's that easy. Just keep matching, splitting, and arranging clip by clip until your entire animated movie flows perfectly from start to finish. And there you have it. Once your clips and voiceover are perfectly matched, just hit that export button at the top right, and your masterpiece is ready for the world. Let's take one final look at what we just created together.
Princess Mirab of the Sunspire Kingdom was known for two things: her fiercely brave heart and her absolute inability to walk across a room without knocking something over. Usually clad in her favorite bright yellow dress and a protective white smock for her daily tinkering, she was a whirlwind of good intentions and collateral damage. Her constant companion was Pip, a Griffin-Pug hybrid, a Pruffin. Pip had the majestic wings of an eagle, the squished face of a pug, and the anxiety levels of a tiny dog caught in a thunderstorm. One rainy afternoon, while chasing Pip through the grand hall to retrieve a stolen slipper.
How amazing is that? You just went from absolutely zero experience to creating a fully animated 3D Pixar-style movie in just a few minutes. Now listen closely. If you want instant access to all the secret master prompts I used today, or if you just need help creating your own videos, make sure to click the link in the description and join our exclusive WhatsApp community. If this masterclass brought you value today, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next AI tutorial. Oh, and if you are a true fan and watch this video all the way to the very end, drop a comment below saying, "I am a creator, so I know exactly who my real supporters are." I reply to as many comments as I can. Thank you so much for watching, keep creating, and I will see you in the next video.